guys, welcome to MyHeaven channel. This is Dennis. Today I'm filming an ocean view property in Orange County, California, San Clemente. So let's check it out. This is residence 2. Okay, so this is 2,400 square feet. Wow, you get the ocean view. Builder called Taylor Morrison, right? So this one is just 3 bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage. Starting price $1,084,000. You get the ocean view right out of your TV area.
Somewhere for amenities, I guess, as well.
They have a pool?
Yeah, and jacuzzi.
Yeah.
Well, with the ocean view.
So this home, this is residence 2, so plan 2. The community called Aqua, right?
Yeah.
It's
Aqua at Sea Summit in San Clemente, California.
Yeah, this is like a beautiful house. You have a HOA here. HOA here is $280 a month. And you also have a 40-year Mello-Roos, with property tax, which is 1.8% of the purchase price. So basically, like this home starting price is $1,084,000. So you're gonna be paying, at least $20,000 a year, every year in property tax in Mello-Roos. Yeah. So you get the beautiful ocean view from here. This model actually has a barbecue area.
Yeah, and look at this, like this
You can see the construction of homes right next to it. It's already laid out the foundation.
Wow, they're building 3 houses there.
Yeah.
Look at this, is interesting. So they have this whole concrete thing, and then it's a bench, built-in bench.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's a good idea. These homes are more like traditional design. Let's take a look what we get.
This one has a little bit more of a coastal feel, but it's I don't know, it's a little quirky.
Yeah, this home feels a little bit strange on the first floor.
The layout is.
The
layout's more split.
Yeah.
So you don't necessarily get the great room.
Yeah, it just feels a little more enclosed.
But wow, look at your kit. Oh, you gotta come over here. Do dishes all day, man, with this ocean view.
Okay, let's
see it.
I have it on camera, so dishes aren't gonna be done all day here. That's a promise. So this is one way to get you to do dishes all day. Or your wife, or girlfriend.
Or husband.
Well, husband is busy working now. So I don't know if you have time for that.
Wife is busy working too.
Oh yeah?
I'm taking care of this little guy.
Oh man. Well, I heard he's taking care of you,
Oh yeah?
He's like, I gotta feed my mom, wash the dishes, change oil in her car.
Oh wow, this is really interesting over here. So you got a little eating kitchen and the island.
So you can see this kitchen is really narrow.
Yeah, it's so narrow.
And the island is really narrow, so I don't really get it.
Like a galley kitchen.
I don't really get it how this is it's not really
But they made it so you can still have bar stools to sit here and eat. So it's just extra prep space because there's not a lot of countertop space here.
Yeah, it's not my favorite layout. Put it this way. Yeah, and you have the laundry room right off the kitchen, which is also a questionable choice, honestly. Some people like that, and some people don't. Well, especially here, you have the laundry and a little area for doing homework or working.
That's really nice to have a whole.
But do you want to do it next to your laundry? I mean, probably not.
You're not doing laundry all day.
Yeah. So I don't know.
Well, with the baby, maybe you're doing laundry all day.
I don't know. Okay, so.
But it's like having like they basically snuck in like a little office space.
Wolf appliances. Let's check out these cabinets. Quality. Okay, these are really cheap cabinets. Okay, so I'm not gonna look at those. Let's take a look. Is there like a bathroom here? There's like a bathroom here.
Different.
Yes.
Good grass plot here.
Yes. Okay.
Red bathroom.
So this is
red, or is it kind of orangey
you
red?
can tell this is not Toll Brothers or Pardee Homes, but you know, you get the ocean view. You know what I mean? You still get 8-foot ceilings everywhere. Not sure why, but that's that's what they're doing for this builder. So
Wow.
yeah, and you see the staircase is also enclosed. Like I don't like that. I like when staircase is open and you get to see a second floor. But so this model is not my favorite because it's just a quirky layout and a very enclosed feel. I actually like the Plan 1 a lot better. It's smaller, cheaper, and just flows a lot better, I think.
Master's pretty big.
Yeah.
And again, you get an amazing view, but there's no balcony here.
By the way, I've driven 300 miles, yesterday to film these homes for you guys. So I really appreciate if you smash that like button. If we can get 100 likes on this video, that would be awesome. I'll try to come back and film more homes because I only have one day. So I'll see how much I can do in one day. Alright. Beautiful. Yeah, the weather here is really nice.
Wow.
It's like really mild temperatures and like you get mild breeze.
You trade off the balcony in Plan 1 for the ocean view and the tub in this one.
Yeah. I mean, obviously the ocean view is what makes this house special.
No, look at this. This is like you'd be taking a bath every day. It's amazing. Obviously, there's still a lot of construction going on around here because there's
this
a lot
area
of other neighborhoods.
is under development, but once it's all built out, it'll be nice.
Yeah.
Let me show you the construction, like the foundation of the homes these guys are working on. This is how you build wealth, you piece of dirt, put some concrete on top and some wood, and you make money forever.
Bless you.
Infinite wealth.
Look at the showers. Interesting. You just walk in. There's no door or anything. And there's like a seat here.
Nice.
You get an ocean view from here too, from the shower. Wow, that's crazy. And from the front here.
Yes,
That's
very
pretty
nice.
crazy.
Very nice.
So this is for somebody who likes to pamper themselves and
Yeah. Yeah, you can definitely tell the traditional design for everything. It's very classy, so they're probably targeting like a little bit more mature audience. Many people who want to retire.
no, not necessarily retired. It's just
I mean, this would be obviously an awesome retirement home.
yeah.
And my mom personally talks about how she wants to live on the beach and all this stuff, when she gets older.
Well, there you go, Mom.
And obviously this is more than enough size-wise for a couple of people. I mean,
I mean, it's not 4,500 square feet. But
did we film all of the bedrooms already?
no, just the master.
Okay.
Well, there's more.
Okay. So let's check out the 2 more bedrooms over here. Ladies first.
Let's see what we got here.
Okay.
Yeah,
This is
that's
just
lovely.
yeah.
Oh, look at they got another built-in desk. So
You
that's
get to see
cute.
the Model 1 from here because
We have another
I like it more than
built-in desk
than
here.
this model.
So that's cute.
nice, very beautiful.
Okay, there's a bedroom here.
Very nice.
Ocean view from here.
I'm in this bedroom right now. Let's see. Yeah, this bedroom has no ocean view.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so is the other one. That's so cute. Look at the tile in the back of the shower. It's like flowers in here in the backsplash.
Yeah.
It's like flowers. That's so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute. No boy rooms. 2 girl rooms.
Okay, let's go see the other bedroom.
There's like, that's...
Yeah.
Look at that little...
Get this old school closet.
Do you see this right here? Like, can you actually step out onto that?
Yeah, that's really tight.
It's kind of sketchy.
Really tight.
Again, ocean air, you know.
Okay, so this is the last bedroom. Yeah, it doesn't have walk-in closets, unfortunately. So I would say this builder, you know, the homes are pretty simple, and like, you know, you're basically paying for the location mostly, honestly.
Oh yeah, it's really close off the freeway, and you have like a huge outlet mall and a school right next to it.
Yeah.
They put really thick crown molding everywhere in the house too.
Nice. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. That's the whole house. So we're gonna go to the next one. Please subscribe. Smash the like button. See you next time.